Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Wall Street ended last week on a weak note, with investors weighed down by a continued sell-off in chip stocks and uncertainty surrounding the Iran conflict. For the week, the S&P 500 fell 0.6%, while the Nasdaq dropped 2.1%, marking a second consecutive weekly decline for both indices. The Dow slipped 0.4% for the week, extending its losing streak to 3 straight weeks. Asian markets, however, opened higher on Monday. Japan's Nikkei gained 0.24%, while the Topix rose 0.6%. South Korea's Kospi advanced 0.44%, the Kosdaq climbed 1.49%, and Australia's ASX 200 was up 0.97% in early trade. Nifty closed at 23,767 on Friday, down 102 points. The index witnessed a strong rebound after finding support near the 23,600 zone, a key confluence area of the 15th June bullish gap and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the June to July rally. The index formed a bullish candle, indicating buying interest at lower levels. However, one positive session is not enough. Bulls need a strong follow-through to confirm a trend reversal. For today's trade, 23,900 and 24,000 remain crucial resistance levels, and a decisive breakout above them could revive upside momentum. On the downside, 23,600 remains the key support, and a breach below it may trigger fresh profit booking toward the 23,500 mark. Overall, the market is at an important technical juncture, with the next move likely to be dictated by a breakout on either side. A global energy shock, with crude oil crossing the $100 mark, extended the market's losing streak to a fifth session. However, strength in IT and banking stocks prevented a sharper decline. The rupee remained steady at 96.55, while FIIs sold 3,893 crores rupees, taking the monthly net inflow to 12,834 crores rupees. Nifty futures declined 67 points in a fresh short build-up, with open interest rising 4.1% to 192.73 lakhs shares, adding 7.64 lakhs shares, while premiums increased from 4 to 39 points. Bank Nifty futures gained 179 points on a long build-up, with open interest rising 0.9% to 28.99 lakhs shares, adding 0.26 lakh shares, while premiums expanded from 73 to 151 points. Options activity remained call-heavy, with fresh call writing at 23,800 and unwinding at 24,350, while puts were added at 23,700 and unwound at 23,900. Nifty PCR improved from 0.80 to 0.89, while Bank Nifty PCR rose from 0.75 to 0.83. India VIX touched an intraday high of 14.77 before settling at 14.03, reflecting elevated volatility expectations. The FII long-short ratio improved from 0.08 to 0.09. FIIs reduced index futures and puts while aggressively adding index calls and stock futures. Proprietary traders followed a similar strategy by adding calls and stock futures while trimming puts, leaving bearish retail participants trapped as they unwound calls and aggressively accumulated puts and index futures. For today, watch 23,550 as strong support and 24,000 as major resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.